In this video, we're going to look at how to add color or materials to our projects, and we're also going to look at how to rename them. So you can see here how I've colored this candle to be blue within the candle holder. So let's go and learn how to do that. So first of all, let's click on the project. Now we're in the modeling environment, but where we need to go to change the materials is through here to the visualization environment. And you can see here I've already applied colors to it, but let's try some other ones. So let's go for maybe a metal. So if we scroll down and let's go for hammered copper, and I can just drag that over and it's now changed it to look like that. So from any angle, we get that beautiful hammered copper color. Change that for this, what's called diamond plate that you might find on some building sites or fairgrounds or places like that. We try all these different colors. I obviously want it to be wood because our one's going to be made from wood, and you've got all these different colors to choose from. We're going to be using pine, so I would suggest you use that. But if you wanted to apply some sort of finish, you could maybe choose a darker color of wood to do that as well. And you can see that that really nicely has just covered it all like that. And obviously that would be exactly the same for either of the projects. So if you'd done the wood box project, again, we come across the visualization. I'm going to put wood in again. And because each of these parts has been made separately, they should color separately as well. So I'll come down to pine again. If I do this, it should, yes, it's just color the individual ones. But imagine that I wanted to have different colors on perhaps part of my box. So maybe I wanted to drag this over, but I actually want these parts to be white. So I'm going to scroll up back to the top, and then here under painted wood, I can now come in and decide that I want them to be wood that's painted white instead of blue. And again, I can just use my mouse properly. I can just zoom around. So I can just scroll around and see that from different colors, different positions. And then what we would need to do, where's my view on here? Yeah, I can capture it there, or I can screenshot in other ways, but I want to just go to my view, which I seem to have lost somehow. Sorry, one more thing to show you while we're here. To change the background color, I'm just going to zoom out using my fingers. To change the background color, if we go to color mode like that, and then click here, we can again change that background color to any color we want it to be just by fiddling around within this. And then again, we can scroll. We can see it from different positions, and we can take some different images. We can capture these different images to place in our folder for our criteria. The last things we need to talk about here is naming our projects correctly. So this is currently named unnamed project, which is no good. So let's call this hinged box project. So either we can rename here, or if we go back where I haven't renamed this one, providing we're not in recent but in projects, we can come and we can right click here and we can rename this one as well. Candle holder. So there we are. Some very simple information on how to rename our projects.